Let me get mine cycled. What'd you do? Did you hit your gear on accident? At least they're working, right? They're all working?
Yeah.
On what?
You're doing bait job.
Very nice, Jack.
You had to give your Mig-17 a little
Hey, now.
I wouldn't do that.
Who's that?
Y'all mind if I go with you guys?
No, you can come. That's Jonah's out too.
I get to see his old plane formation. Regret selling it?
No. I had my fun with it. Okay.
Oh, alright.
Go. Go, Nate. You guys didn't see, but a dust devil came through and made me do a wheelie.
Sneaky pinky! Alright, can I launch my glider?
Dude, we're just having a free-for-all, huh? Whoa, 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 look out!
I got you, don't worry. Like we're playing key on us.
I'm at half throttle.
Alright, Jonah's landing back.
Okay. Okay.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Oh, here, Bobbin, you can go on that side.
No, it's okay. I'll wait till you guys are running. So I haven't tested
Okay.
Time remaining 1 minute.
I guess they just make a lot of noise, huh? The fans.
no back.
I'll stay with you.
That silhouette looks so good.
It does. Doing a low pass. I'm not gonna go going really fast, but okay, come on. I got a 6200 in mind, so. Going up. Whew.
You guys don't have to land, right?
I will in a second. Come on in.
I'm off right into the runway. Look, I put wigwag on the LED. Good.
I'm coming in.
Alright, I'll be clear by the time you're here. Why are you coming in?
Just because I know this battery heats up. I'm already a minute over. I know. It's also a year old, over a year old 6200.
Oh, very nice. Oh! Okay, when you're ready. Go for it. Out.
Come on in. I'll be clear by the time you're in. You should just come in. I told you to come in.
Coming in. It's a 22.4.
I know. You could have stayed up. I just came in because I know mine heats up. Should have put the 5000 in. It's a weird wind over there. Beware.
Also something like a really decent thermal.
Yeah, right at the end.
No, almost above your head.
Oh, really?
Yeah, look.
Oh, nice. You're just climbing. Nice, Frank.
Braking.
Speed brake works good on this
Why
thing.
there is always
Braking.
one.
Normal mode.
I always forget to pop them before I land.
I do on the when I hit the gear.
Yeah.
Because they just slow it down. They don't make it stop.
Okay, guys, let me know when I can come in.
They're taxiing right
Oh wow, the sun's almost gone.